Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to make money in Monopoly Go. Making money in Monopoly Go involves strategic decisions and effective use of game mechanics. Here's what you're going to do. Prioritize collecting coins early in the game to afford essential upgrades and investments. Quickly complete quests for immediate coin rewards and to unlock additional income sources. Purchase properties early to start earning rent and increase your income over time. Invest coins in upgrading properties to boost rent earnings and maximize income potentials. Equip stickers that multiply coin earnings from dice rolls to accelerate income growth. Balance coin spending between property investments, upgrades, and other game essentials. Engage in special events or promotion that offer bonus coins or income opportunities. Strategize to minimize visits to jail, which can halt income generation temporarily. Trade strategically with other players to acquire high-rent properties or valuable assets. Prioritize acquiring and upgrading properties with higher rent values to maximize earnings. Continuously invest in acquiring new properties to diversify income sources. Activate cards or stickers that provide additional income or advantages in gameplay. Stay active and engage in gameplay to maximize opportunities for earning coins. Aim to complete property sets to unlock set bonuses and increase overall income. Strategize multiple moves ahead to optimize dice rolls and maximize coin collection. Win property auction decisively to expand your property portfolio and increase income potential. And manage debt effectively. Avoid unnecessary expenses and manage debt effectively to preserve and grow your wealth. Participate in communities to gain access to shared bonuses and income boost. Take advantage of bonus rounds or special events that offer increased income opportunities. And that's how to make money in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.